Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make an iCloud account. Alright, let's begin. If you're using an Apple device for the first time, open the Settings app and tap Sign In to your iPhone or Apple account at the top. Then tap Don't have an Apple account or Forgot it. Enter your first and last name, choose your date of birth, and continue. If you want an iCloud email address, instead of using your existing email, tap Don't have an email address and choose Get a free iCloud email address. Enter your preferred username, create a password, and follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up your account. You can also create an Apple account from the App Store. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon, then select Create New Apple Account. Enter your details, create a password, agree to the terms and conditions, and complete the verification process. If you don't have an Apple device, open a web browser and go to account.apple.com. Now, open the top menu by tapping on the arrow icon at top right corner and select Create Your Apple Account. Then enter your name, region, date of birth, email address, password, and phone number. Verify your information and complete the setup. Keep in mind that if you specifically want an iCloud email address, you'll need to create the account from an Apple device through the Settings app. So that's basically how you can make an iCloud account. That's it for this video. Thanks.